Hello, Dr. Bravo. I tried to record this video with a webcam, but I couldn't. It told me that I have to pay monthly services to do that. It must be because I'm not tech savvy. But let's jump right on it. My name is Khalid Khalid. My first and last name are the same, Khalid Khalid. I like to go with Michael. This is my fourth class in the MA of Psychology at Bradman, and I plan on graduating in summer 2022. I'm not in a hurry, just taking it easy and roll on with it. What I want to do with the degree is help my family and friends and just understand the psychology of things. I am not looking to get a professional career in counseling or therapy. I have my own career already, but yeah, I look at it as a learning and opportunity, and as a way to help myself, my relationship, my family, and my friends. What I would like to get out of this class is to understand diversity, understand the need of understanding each other, being empathetic to each other. The last two meetings were very valuable to me, and I learned a lot, and I look forward for this class. Thank you so much.